it's like I will just add like one could say it was like difficult in the first half. We was like not defending well, like loose ball. They're always getting the second chance to score, but we're able to manage it in the first half.
Malik had 10 point, 8 rebounds, 2 steals and 2. So nagawa niyo may tawid ito para manalo?
Yun yung sabi ni Coach Gold na nag-start kami ng slow. So nung second half talaga, it's about sa pride talaga. Sino yung may gustong manalo, sino yung lalaban ng sobra-sobra talaga. And blessed kami na nakuha namin yung panalo na ito. And siyempre first round pa lang naman ito, hindi pa tapos, marami pa kami mga games. Marami pa kami improve as a team. So siguro stay level na kami.
Okay, the floor is...
Well, sa amin, for the team, every game naman, whether manalo kami ng malaki or close yung game, we will always take that as a learning experience sa amin. Especially yung team namin now is a mix of yung mga veterans at the same time mga young guys that they really need to get the last game to grow as a team.
Malik, as one of the veterans of the team, how were you able to, I guess, just really gather everyone and keep them calm, especially in the late stages of the game where you guys had to hold on for the win?
I will like to say is up for my teammates because the way they understand, the way they listen, because every time I talk to them, they're going to listen. So the help came from them and the coaches.
Siguro ginagawa ko lang yung role ko sa team namin. Kung may open shot, i-play ko lang. It's all about timing naman. Hindi ko pwede na i-post yung mga tira. Kaya naswerte yan lang siguro na yung mga tira ko is makapasa.
Coach, walang sa amin wala namang hinto talaga eh. Kasi pag nero ka kung ready ka ba, parang there's always something that we could improve on. So kami as a team, we really take yung good and bad game as a learning lesson for us. So natin pa rin namin every game, every practice, and dapat namin improve. So for me, stop it.